Hey guys, today let's learn how to have different profile pictures for Facebook and Instagram. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and do this, once you head on over on Instagram, of course, and you tap on edit profile on your menus, tap on edit picture, and tap over here on choose from library, and you go ahead and change your profile picture. Of course, that is going to be changed, but as you see, it's not really going to be synced with your Facebook profile picture. Now, why is that? Well, that is because I don't have them linked together. So once you head on over on this section of your profile, I'm going to tap on the three lines and I want you to tap on settings. I want you to tap next on account and right here on sharing to other applications. And right now I am connected with my Facebook, but as you see, I don't have my Instagram story shared to there and also my Instagram post. Now in the case that you guys want to go ahead and share it with Facebook, of course, I would like you guys to just basically enable that setting through here. So that is how you basically have different profile pictures on Instagram and Facebook differently on your applications. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.